This is the Singh family. Lata ji, Amrit ji, Raj, Seema, and Bablu are all learning about managing money.
Today, with them, we will learn about borrowing money. In this lesson, we will learn that we can take loans for our important needs. Banks are safe for taking loans. We should find out everything about a loan before we take it. Lata ji wants to open her own tailor shop. She needs 50,000 rupees for the sewing machines and electricity. She doesn't have so much money. Many times, we need more money than we have. In such situations, we take money from someone else and give it back after some time. This is called borrowing or taking a loan. When we borrow money, we have to pay a fee on it. This fee is called interest. Lata ji can borrow money from three places: money lender, bank, her brother. Click on each to see what happens in that option. Money lender. Lata ji takes money from a money lender. After 4 months, the money lender calls her up. You need to pay me 75,000 rupees.
But I only took 50,000 rupees. And you said I have to pay 60,000 with interest in 6 months.
I have increased the interest rate. I need the full amount by the end of the week. Lata ji goes to a bank. The bank manager asks her, Ma'am, why do you want this money? Lata ji replies,
Sir, I want to start a tailor shop.
The manager asks, Do you have a business plan? How much profit will you earn every month? Lata ji says,
I don't have a proper plan. I think I can pay it in 6 months.
The manager says, We can give you money, ma'am. We charge 10% interest. But first, we need a proper plan from you. This is important for you to start a new business. Lata ji says,
Oh, I did not know that. I will come back with a plan. Thank you.
Lata ji takes the money from her brother. He gives the money without any interest. 1 month later, he says, Lata, my daughter is getting married. I need my money back.
Brother, I cannot return the money right now. My business has just started.
Please, Lata, borrow money from someone else and pay me back. I need my money back immediately. Which option Should Lataji choose money lender, bank, brother? Borrowing money from the bank is a safe option. Let us find out more about it. Lataji goes back to the bank with a plan. She tells the manager,
It is good that I made a plan. I calculated everything. I will be able to pay 50,000 rupees in 1 year. Here, take a look.
the manager sees her plan and says, "This is good. We can give you the money. But to take a loan, you will need to give something of yours. This is for our safety. When you pay the money, we will give it back to you. Don't worry, we will keep it properly." Lataji thinks and replies,
Okay, I have some jewelry. I can give that.
Manager says, "Yes, that's great. Congratulations." Lataji followed all the steps and got a loan from the bank. She was able to start her tailor shop. Lataji took a business loan. This helped her start her business. In the same way, you can take different kinds of loans from a bank: home loan, study loan, car loan, and many more. You can also take loans to buy smaller things like a TV or mobile phone. When you want to take a loan, ask yourself these questions. Do I really need this? Will I be able to pay it back? If your answer is yes and yes, then take the loan. Loans are good if we take them for the right reasons. After you decide to take a loan, collect all information about it. Ask questions like, how much money do I have to pay back? When do I have to pay it back? This way, you will be able to plan for it. To pay a loan back, you have to give small parts of it every month. This is called EMI. EMI means equated monthly installments. Let us see how Lataji paid her loan to the bank. Lataji took 50,000 rupees. This is her loan amount. She will pay the loan in 1 year. The bank is charging 10% interest for 1 year. Her interest amount is 10% of 50,000 rupees. This is equal to 5,000 rupees. Thus, the total amount that she has to pay to the bank in 1 year is rupees 55,000. She will pay a small part of rupees 55,000 every month for 12 months. This is her EMI. To calculate this amount, she divides rupees 55,000 by 12. This is equal to rupees 4,583. This is the money that she has to pay to the bank every month. Different banks have different EMI plans. Find out everything about your EMI plan so that you can pay it back properly. Lata ji worked hard, managed her money properly, and paid the loan and interest on time. You have learned a lot about loans. Now, see some situations and answer some questions. Out of the following, choose the options that are types of loans. Home loan from bank, buying a bike on EMI, taking 15,000 rupees from a friend, all of these. Yes, all of these are loans. Raj wants to buy a TV. He does not have enough money for it. Should he take a loan? Yes. No. That's not right. Buying a TV is a want and not a need. It is better to take loans for our needs. Seema and her friends have a band. They have taken a loan from their parents to buy new drums. They don't know if they will be able to pay it back. Are they doing the right thing? Yes or no? You are right. We should take loans only if we are sure that we will have the money to pay it back. Step out. Talk to someone who has taken a loan. Try to understand more about loans. Share your learning on the Quest app community page.